Hey, buddy. How you doing?
Man, what happened last night? I remember hearing about those new Tundras, and then after that...
Drivers, let's talk about horsepower. These next generation V6 models are really showing some impressive numbers. Meet the new iForce. It's a 3.5 liter twin turbo V6 cranking out 389 horsepower.
Now that's not enough.
The new iForce Max will get the job done. It's a 3.5 liter V6
Twin turbo hybrid with an incredible
437 horsepower and 22 miles per gallon.
You want some horsepower, Antron?
That's incredible! This thing is the...
Should not have said that. Ooh.
Oh, my head is pounding.
Yeah, man. You're hungover on horsepower.
It's all the horsepower. I gotta get that hybrid. Let's go! Let's get to the track! These guys are killing me! Wait, we hit the strip?
Yeah, you could say that.
This fool's out of his mind tonight.
Nice little night for drag race.
I can't believe we're doing this right now.
It's Vegas, baby. Let's go! Oh, no, they don't want none of this.
What? I can't believe that's a V6!
Let's do it again. My neck. Did we go out dancing or something?
And then you insisted on taking us to a Vegas show.
Wasn't bad.
Yeah, it was good. It was good.
My ears are ringing. Anybody else hear that? Too much power. V6 twin turbo. They don't want none of this. None of it, no. Tell that man that lab coat, I need one of these right now. So, what are we doing tonight?